Samsung Galaxy A55 vs A35, which mid-range champ reigns supreme? Are you scouring the market for a phone that balances performance and value? Samsung's A series has been a mainstay in the mid-range arena, and two of their most recent contenders, the Galaxy A55 and A35, are making waves. I'm incredibly excited to compare these two powerhouses and help you figure out which one deserves a place in your pocket. Design and display, subtle differences. At first glance, the A55 and A35 look like twins. Both sport Samsung's sleek design language with smooth curves and minimalist aesthetics. They even share a similar dimensions. But a closer look reveals some key differences. The A55 gets an upgrade with Gorilla Glass, giving it tougher screen protection. Both phones are IP67 rated, ensuring they can handle a splash or two of water. As for displays, we're looking at vibrant AMOLED panels on both phones, but the A55 has a slightly higher refresh rate for smoother scrolling and animations. Size-wise, both the A35 and A55 offer a spacious display, providing excellent real estate for movies or gaming. Performance punch, deciding your power needs. Under the hood is where you start seeing the separation between these two. The A55 sports a faster processor, giving it a performance edge in demanding apps and games. If you're into mobile gaming or use your phone for heavy multitasking, the A55's extra power will be a definite plus. However, the A35 is no slouch. It's more than capable for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and streaming videos. Both phones offer similar storage and RAM combinations, so storage shouldn't be your deciding factor. If your needs are basic, both phones have ample capacity. Camera capabilities, capturing your world. Samsung's A series has been known to deliver solid camera performance, and let me tell you, the A55 and A35 don't disappoint. They both rock a very versatile triple lens rear setup. The A55 comes out ahead with a higher resolution main sensor, delivering sharper images with greater detail, especially in low light conditions. It also boasts a better wide-angle camera. The A35 still performs admirably but falls a bit short compared to its bigger brother. For the selfie enthusiasts out there, the A55 takes the lead again with a higher resolution front-facing camera for crisper selfie shots. Battery endurance, who wins the marathon? Both the A35 and A55 sport large batteries that promise excellent longevity. With moderate use, you can easily get a full day's worth of juice and maybe even stretch into a second day. Neither phone will leave you scrambling for a charger midday. When it's time to refuel, both phones support fast charging, so you'll be back in action quickly. Software and features. The Samsung experience. Both phones run Samsung's One UI on top of Android, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. You'll enjoy plenty of customization options and useful features, making these phones feel uniquely yours. The software experience is essentially identical, though Samsung may extend their support window with extra updates for the A55, giving it a slight leg up in terms of long-term software support. The verdict: which A series star shines brighter? So, here's the million-dollar question: which one should you buy? Well, it boils down to your needs and budget. Choose the Samsung Galaxy A55 if you want the best possible performance for gaming and demanding apps. You prioritize excellent camera quality. You want a more durable phone with stronger glass protection. You're willing to pay a bit extra for these upgrades. Choose the Samsung Galaxy A35 if you want to save some money. You need a solid phone for everyday use. You don't mind a slight compromise in camera performance. Samsung's A55 and A35 phones offer excellent value and well-rounded features. The choice between the two depends on individual preferences and which features matter most to the user. For more tech-related videos, viewers can check out the associated playlist or the recommended videos listed in the video description.